Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're at Walmart and I found Squishies. Oh my gosh. This is like my life, guys. Got a taco. Got a huge eyeball. Oh my gosh, there's a hot dog. There's this little cute kitty. This really sucks, guys. There's a whoopee cushion. French fries. Some of these guys are pretty slow and others aren't. This is a fruit cake. Oh, the little penguin. Oh, guys. I think this whoopee cushion is the slowest one. Not that one, the other one I showed. Oh my gosh. This one's okay. I prefer these ones though, like, all these are so good, guys. Sorry guys, I'm super excited, so it's really bad recording. I'm just trying to find something to show you. The tiger. I like this hot dog one. Has lettuce, mustard. Guys, I'm like freaking out. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys some other Squishies that I found. Guys. Coming! I'm gonna save up for both these guys, like. Look guys, there's a brain. Oh, it's a little. Oh, I thought this was a squishy. It's not. Just kidding, guys.
Here, Jasmine, I found your favorite, Ben. Hey, look, I found Uma. Uma. Ha, ha, ha.
What's my name? What's my name? Say it out. Ew, what the heck was that? I've never seen these before, but they're pretty cool, I guess. Don't know. No, guys, it's this I want. It's like a little cow, Kayla. I gotta wait for it to go back so I can squish it again. I'm gonna get you a squishy, Kayla. I swear I am.
Look, Jasmine.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna look over in the art section again. Okay, I'm coming. Oh my gosh, guys, like 10 pounds. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm saving up for. It's $15. It's the Nickelodeon slime kit. Glitter, clear, rainbow. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, hit the bell icon. And also, you want to know a magic trick that even you guys can do? Hit that white like button and it'll turn blue. Whoa. Thanks for watching. Bye.